Hi guys, I wanted to show you what I got my husband for Father's Day. It's been a long couple years that I really got him something, so I kind of went all out this year. All right, I'm gonna start off with shoes. These are shoes that he picked out, and these are just for work, so there's really quite nothing crazy special. Oh, let me see. They're just work shoes. I'm gonna try and link everything below, but this was like, what, $40 or something like that? Like maybe 30 or 40. But yeah, he needs work shoes, and he also picked out sneakers. And I think those were like $40 as well. Hopefully that's not coming until next week because it's not on Amazon Prime. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys that. But yeah. So what's in this box? These are extra long ties. They're like 70 inches. Oh, the quality is like really nice. So it's like, I think this was like $24 for like a set of 4. But wow. Yeah. He's like, my husband's like 6'5", so it's like the ties never fit him well, you know what I'm saying? So I thought, like, you need ties. You need decent ties. Okay, so that's the second gift. And this I also got him. Let's see. Oh yeah, so this is neem oil. There's a few things about neem oil that's really, really good. If you're like anything like my husband, bugs love you. So you put a little bit of this in your lotion, and it's like a natural bug repellent, and it actually also keeps you cool in the summertime. So this is like a good for, like, you know, summer days. It smells terrible, which is why you put a little bit, and probably why the bugs don't like it. Also, I'm gonna steal some and put some in my homemade toothpaste. That's really, really good for your teeth. Okay, what else? Okay, this is frankincense. Frankincense. Is it gonna open? Please open. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I always wanted frankincense. It's really good for pain, you guys. And my husband, since he's a basketball skills developer, he is just always on his feet, you know, and he's playing with young kids, like these young guys, you know, so I don't think I could get this back in with one hand. All right, now, I had to get myself something. All right, and I know it's this. I just know it. I see the label. This is Jamaican black castor oil. Oh my gosh. I am so excited for this, you guys. So my cousin, her hair got so thick, and I'll do a review about this, but her hair got so thick, and I haven't seen her in in a while, and when I saw her, I was like, oh my gosh, what have you been using? She's like, nothing. And I'm like, no, seriously, what have you been using? So that's for me. I'm going to try it for like a month, and then I'm going to give you guys a review if it actually worked. Okay, and this is his present. Like everything else he kind of needs, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I don't want to break it. Is it locked? It's not locked. Okay, hold on. I have to put this down. Let's see. 2 hands. Oh, come on. Why is this so hard to open? Oh, sorry. Okay, where's my camera? My camera. Okay. This is it, you guys. So my husband loves rocks, and my kids love the planets. So Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. But look, that is crazy. The 8 planets. Okay, Pluto is no longer a planet. In case you're wondering why there's 8, it's now a dwarf planet. But yeah, I am like, wow. This was $40, so it is a splurge. But I haven't gotten my husband anything cool like this in such a long time. Like, we had kids and it's all about them. Wow. Wow. I'm like, I think it's so cool. I can't wait till he opens it. Hopefully, knowing how I am the worst at hiding gifts. So I'm going to try to hide this one. Everything else, I don't mind him getting early because it's like useful stuff. But yeah, okay. And hopefully I get to show you the sneakers. But yeah, so these are all his gifts for Father's Day. Everything else he kind of needs, but except this. And the frankincense, I think that's really cool as well. This was only like $10. This was only like $10. And I think my Jamaican oil was only $10 too. I think this was only like $10 too. So it wasn't like crazy expensive. And he needs shoes. And hopefully I get the sneakers on camera. I am blabbering, but hopefully this gives you guys some ideas. And I'm going to try to link everything below. So yeah, you have a good Father's Day. Bye.